To transfer money from Coinbase to an Ellipal wallet, start by opening and logging into your Ellipal wallet account. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. You will then see options to receive and swap. Click on the Receive button to obtain your wallet address, which can also be found in the top section of the page. Copy the wallet address by clicking on the copy icon. After obtaining the wallet address, open the Coinbase app and click on the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then enter the wallet address in the required fields and click Continue. Enter the transfer amount and click the Preview button. If an error or warning appears, click Continue. Verify that all details, including the network, wallet address, and network fee, are correct. Once confirmed, click the Send Now button. The cryptocurrency will then be transferred from Coinbase to the Ellipal wallet.